Sankt Anton am Arlberg, often referred to as the cradle of alpine skiing, is one of Austria's most iconic destinations. Located in the Tyrolean Alps, this picturesque village has a rich history of skiing, stunning landscapes, and year-round activities that make it a top choice for travelers worldwide. Whether you're drawn to thrilling winter sports, serene alpine lakes, or a tranquil mountain retreat, Sankt Anton offers it all. The history of Sankt Anton as a skiing hub dates back to the early 1900s when Hannes Schneider, a local pioneer, revolutionized alpine skiing techniques. Today, the village is part of the ski Arlberg region, which boasts over 300 kilometers of slopes, 200 kilometers of off-piste terrain, and state-of-the-art ski lifts. It's no surprise that this region is a magnet for skiers and snowboarders from around the globe. Sankt Anton caters to all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. The area is also famous for its vibrant après-ski scene, with lively bars, cozy chalets, and gourmet restaurants offering the perfect way to unwind after a day on the slopes. While Sankt Anton is world-renowned for its winter sports, its summer charm is equally captivating. The alpine landscape transforms into a lush paradise, with wildflowers carpeting the meadows, and the mountains offering endless opportunities for outdoor exploration. One of the standout features of the area is the nearby Birthplace, a serene lake surrounded by walking paths and picnic spots. This turquoise gem is a perfect spot for kayaking, paddleboarding, or simply enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. The lake is especially popular with families, as it offers gentle trails and educational nature walks for kids. For avid hikers, the Arlberg Trail provides breathtaking views, leading adventurers through alpine meadows, past crystal-clear streams, and up to panoramic viewpoints. Cyclists, too, are drawn to the region, with challenging mountain biking routes and leisurely valley paths to suit all abilities. Sankt Anton isn't just about sports and scenery, it's a village steeped in culture and tradition. The museum Sankt Anton am Arlberg, located in a historic chalet, showcases the rich history of skiing and the local community. Visitors can learn about the evolution of skiing and the region's role in shaping alpine sports. The village also hosts cultural festivals, such as the Arlberg Music Festival, where traditional Tyrolean music and dance bring the community together. Visitors can immerse themselves in local traditions while savoring hearty Austrian cuisine like schnitzel, Käsespätzle, and apple strudel. Whether you're gliding down powdery slopes in winter, paddling across Birthplace in summer, or exploring the vibrant cultural scene year-round, Sankt Anton am Arlberg is a destination that caters to every traveler. Its mix of history, natural beauty, and modern amenities makes it a place where memories are created and stories are made. Through the lens of your drone, this video will transport viewers to a world of serenity and adventure, capturing the essence of Sankt Anton am Arlberg in all its glory. Let the charm of this alpine village inspire your audience to embark on their own journey to this breathtaking corner of Austria. Mountain. Easily accessible by cable car, Rendell offers breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. It's a favorite spot for paragliding enthusiasts and photographers alike. Stuben am Arlberg, a charming neighboring village with its own unique ski slopes and hiking trails. Albonagrat Ridge, known for its high-altitude hiking routes, it provides some of the most dramatic views in the Arlberg region. Explore the breathtaking beauty of Sankt Anton am Arlberg, Austria, in this relaxing drone video. Known as the birthplace of alpine skiing, this idyllic village offers majestic mountain landscapes, vibrant alpine lakes, and a serene atmosphere that soothes the soul. From world-class skiing in winter to hiking and cycling trails in summer, Sankt Anton is a year-round destination that captivates visitors with its charm and natural beauty. Enjoy this calming journey through the stunning scenery paired with relaxing music to enhance your experience. Perfect for anyone seeking travel inspiration or a moment of peace and tranquility.